Some people remember that I used to say when we are tapping the electric and from other side is metal, then I can make flash of LEDs of neon tube. So the same rule is here. It is block capacitor. Outside is made covered by organic material. Inside is two metal strips wrapped together. So if I will use just one terminal to the LED, one LED or many, or to neon tube and tap hard enough, there will be flash. So what, because ambient, or in this case me, gave this energy to the organic material, which delivered forward to the metal. But I hope that someone remember my videos about looping capacitors, where I expose capacitors to the artificial radiation. It was like this high voltage globe, and it collected very high voltage in each capacitor. They are alternate connection with diodes, so that's why I call them looped capacitor. I can continue forward on this direction and also on the left hand side. But what is very important, capacitors, looped capacitor, if it is source, it must be directed like this, not like this. If it is directed like this, there will not be a collection of energy. So, what is also, it's already clear that energy doesn't go through the diodes. It comes to the pressure, stress, to the dielectric, which delivery forward to aluminum, and then between those two is by diode is exchange. So I could say it is looped orgone accumulators, in this case only two. So also it gives me idea that I can let's say I presented some new devices for Orgone energy and generator, that I could loop them by diodes to get much more high voltage. Do we need higher voltage? I don't know. Just I'm giving you option that we can actually we can do that with the one orgone accumulator, but it must be multi-layer, multi-layers orgone accumulator. Then between two layers we can loop them. So when I find this which I call looped capacitor, in that time I wasn't thinking about orgone energy. So if I want to natural, I need to, let's say, to expose to the sky, let's say this one, and then if I want to boost, then I need to minus terminal to ground or to some capacity body method. That's it. Thank you.